Can we call a function without actually mentioning the function name? We can using function aliasing. So let us go ahead and understanding how we can use a function aliasing in order to call the same function with multiple names. So to do that, first I will take the function. Let's say I am taking the function which is nothing but add here. So what I wanted to do is that I wanted to add two numbers here. So num1 and num2 here. So in this, what I will be doing is that I will just return num1 plus num2. That is what the addition of num1 and num2, right? I am executing this. This is got executed. So now what I wanted to do here is that if I call simply by this by this add by passing some numbers, if I execute this, we can able to get 5, right? So now what I wanted to mention is that can we access the same addition without actually using the same exact add method? So add name here. We can using aliasing. That is nothing but having another name for this function. Let's say I am taking addition here and I will assign this add here. So this add I am assigning to this addition. Now we can access this function by using addition as well. If I execute this, this is got executed. So if I call this addition by having, let's say, 3 and 4, so I am mentioning this addition, and which is nothing but, so let us understand. Let's say if I execute this, we are getting 7. So why we are getting 7 is because we are using this addition which is nothing but a function here. So how this addition became a function is because by using this add. So now we are aliasing this add with addition. So how that works is that first we will check the IDs of both this add and alias, add and addition. If I check ID of add and ID of, so ID is nothing but to know the memory address for these variables, for these functions. So I'm using addition, and if I execute this, you can see we are having exactly same memory addresses for both add and addition. Because of that reason, we can actually call this add function by using addition also. How that happens? By simply using this is equal to method by assigning this add to addition. Like this, we can actually assign and make aliases with any number of variables. Let's say I am taking this sum and I am taking this, let's say, adding, and I am taking this add 2, which means adding of two numbers. So I am mentioning this add. So by using this, we can actually refer this same add function with add to, adding, and sum. So if I execute this, so this is got executed. Let's say if I call adding by passing, let's say, 5 and 6, and if I execute this, we can able to get 11, which is nothing but 5 and 6 is sum, right? So what is happening is that this is nothing but add method. So add function, that is what we are calling, and we are getting the result. So we can do the same process by using add to as well. This is also refers to the same function add but with a different name. So let's say if I pass 8 and 9, if I execute this, we are getting 17, which is nothing but the addition of 8 and 9, right? So like this, we can actually call this function by using whatever the alias names that we are having. So by using this alias names, we can actually secure this function. So this function will be more secured with by using another names, right? So here, when you consider this addition, I don't know how this addition works, but still this addition is nowhere exist. This definition for this addition is not there, but still we are getting the function and we are getting the result by simply using this alias. So I hope you can able to understand how this aliasing of function works and how we can use this alias function in order to make the function secure. So now we can know by simply using this add we can get the addition, right? But we don't expect by using this addition we can get the same result, because this function, this definition of addition is nowhere exist, right? Because of that reason, it will be more secure by having the alias names. I hope you can able to understand that, right? So if you found this video interesting, hit the like button and comment whatever you think about this video in the comment section. And like this, there are some more things that we need to understand regarding our function in order to code better, that we will discuss in our coming videos. To stay updated with my latest videos, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications to all, so that whenever I upload any video, you will get the notification. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.